Hello everyone, today I am solving another UC 2021 NAT question. So let's start the reading question first. This is the question number 8. If you start from the circle and end at the triangle, what is the minimum number of straight lines required to pass through all the dots without retracing any routes? You are allowed to pass through a dot more than once. This question is from analytical and logical reasoning topic. To solve this question, I am attempting trial and hit strategy. The question says, if you start from the circle and end the triangle, what is the minimum number of straight lines? So, I am starting from the circle. This is our first attempt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 lines. With 7 lines, I can join all the dots from start from circle and triangle. Trial. We will try. Start from circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 lines. I have done 2 trial here. This is first trial, trial 1, trial 2. As you seen in trial 1, you have joined all the dots with 7 lines, 7 straight lines, and in trial 2, you have joined all the dots with 8 lines. Now start thinking some different perspective, like out of the box, and start solving the problem. Start from circle, go the left. From this point, you just start thinking something different. You go out, then come back, come to this point. This point is the end point, but here is written you are allowed to pass through a dot more than once. So you can take this point again. This point again you have go outside, out of the box, then move this once more, then come to the end point. Now count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 dot. Have you seen? In simple approach, you have joined all the dots with 7 lines, and one more attempt trial we have taken. Here 8 lines, but when you start thinking out of the box, one line less, you have joined all the dots with 6 lines. So you can see that when you think with different perspective, you can achieve your goal smartly and unique. That's all for this question. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any question, you might be comment in comment section below.